Hi there. So now that you have Koala installed and on your computer, ready to go, or even on your web browser, I'm going to be showing you today how you can navigate Koala, move around, and use some of the basic tools. So once you have the app open, like I do here after you log in, to move around, you simply just use your arrow keys on your keyboard. So go ahead and move around, forward, left, right, whichever direction you like. And then to change your, I guess, perspective, you take two fingers and on your, well, I personally am using a MacBook. So go ahead and press down on the mouse pad, hold down the screen and just move around in any direction you want. As you can see, after trying it a few times, like you get the hang of it. It's pretty simple, very similar to video game style. It's a very gamified classroom. And once you mastered moving around, I'll show you how you can use a web browser. All you have to do is make sure you have the mouse selected on the bottom center, and you double click on the Windows icon. So you go ahead, click anywhere on the screen, and you will know that the screen is in use or the web browser is in use when it has a blue box around it. So as you click on it, you'll be able to navigate through it, look up whatever you like. Here, as an example, I'm going to look up verbs, um, and I'm going to go ahead and click on just anything. So here we have a list of English verbs, um, and then if you want to further use I don't know, like underlining or a drawing tool, on the bottom center on the left side, you'll see like a pen. Go ahead and click that, and you can even change the color, you can change the density of it. You can go right ahead and draw anywhere you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and circle around the verb just so you can see how it works. You could also click the eraser tool if you want to erase it, and then just go ahead and click back on the pen tool. You can switch back and forth between those. You can switch between the colors, adjust the density. You could also click on the sticky note pad, and that all you have to do is just click anywhere, and the sticky note will pop up, and it'll give you these short instructions on how to use it. To edit it, just gotta double click it and just type away. You can type anything you'd like, and once you're done, you can go ahead and move it around, place it wherever you like. Um, it's very easy and free to use, and they'll be set to go. Thank you guys.